In today's video, we'll be taking a few problems on differentiation and solving them on the basis of the properties that we had learned in the last video. So, if you haven't watched the last video, watch it to learn the basics of differentiation. So, the first problem is hy is equal to y to the power minus 4 minus 9 times y to the power minus 3 plus 8 times y to the power minus 12 plus 12. So we can simply differentiate it and write dh by dy is equal to d by dy of y to the power minus 4 plus d by dy of minus 9 y to the power minus 3 plus 8 plus d by dy of 8 y to the power minus 12 plus d by dy of 12. Okay. So differentiation of y to the power n will be n times y to the power n minus 1. So minus 4 comes out, y to the power minus 4 minus 1 plus minus 9 comes out, minus 3 also, and y to the power minus 3 minus 1 plus 8 times minus 12 will come out, y to the power minus 12 minus 1. Differentiation of constant will be 0. It will be minus 4 times y to the power minus 5 plus 27 y to the power minus 4 minus 96 times y to the power minus 13. This is the required solution. Now let us take the next problem. So the next problem is differentiate r z equal to 6 divided by square root of cube of z plus 1 upon 8 times z to the power 4 minus 1 upon 3 times z to the power 10. So we can simplify it and write like this. 6 divided by, this is z to the power 3 by 2. So in multiplication it becomes 6 times z to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 8 times z to the power minus 4 minus 1 upon 3 times z to the power minus 10. Now we can simply differentiate it. dr by dz will be 6 times minus 3 by 2 comes out, z to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 1, minus 4 comes out plus minus 4 by 8, z to the power minus 4 minus 1, minus 1 by 3 times minus z also comes, minus 10 comes out, z to the power minus 10 minus 1. It will be minus 9 times z to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 2 will be minus 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 z to the power minus 5 plus 10 by 3 z to the power minus 11. This is the required solution. Next problem is differentiate x times 3x square minus 9. So one way to do it is to multiply x by the terms inside and then differentiate, but we will do it using the product rule. So differentiation of this term, say this is y, so dy by dx, according to the product rule it will be first term differentiation of the second plus second term differentiation of the first, that is dx by dx. It will be x times differentiation of 3x square will be 3 comes out and x square is 2x, and differentiation of the constant will be 0 plus 3x square minus 9, and dx by dx is 1. So it becomes 6x square plus 3x square minus 9, which is 9x square minus 9. This is the desired solution. The next problem is differentiate z is equal to y to the power 5 minus 5 times y cube plus 2y all divided by y cube. So the one way to solve this problem is to divide these terms by y cube and then differentiate. But we'll try to solve this using the quotient rule. So dz by dy becomes y cube, that is the denominator differentiation of the numerator, d by dy of y to the power 5 minus 5 times y cube plus 2y minus the numerator y to the power 5 minus 5y cube plus 2y, differentiation of denominator d by dy of y cube and whole divided by square of the denominator, that is y to the power 3 squared. So we will be solving it directly. Y cube, differentiation of y to the power 5 will be 5 times y to the power 4 minus 5 times 3 y square plus 2 minus y to the power 5 minus 5y cube plus 2y, and differentiation of y cube will be 3y square whole divided by y to the power 6. dz by dy equal to 2y minus 4 times y to the power minus 3. The next problem is differentiate y equal to e to the power 4x cube. Now to solve this problem we have to use the chain rule. So it will become e to the power 4x cube. We will have to differentiate this term again according to the chain rule. d by dx of 4x cube. So differentiation of 4x cube will be 12x square and this term multiplied by e to the power 4x cube. This is the solution. Again we have a similar problem. Differentiate y equal to e to the power 1 minus cos x. So dy by dx will be e to the power something, differentiate, it will give the same thing. But since we are not differentiating with respect to e to the power 1 minus cos x, we are differentiating in terms of x. So we will differentiate this term again, dy by dx of 1 minus cos x. Okay. So differentiation of 1 will be 0, differentiation of cos x will be minus sin x, and minus sin x and this minus here becomes sin x. So it will become sin x multiplied by e to the power 1 minus cos x. This is the required solution. Now consider this problem. Y equal to cos of x square e to the power x. So in this problem we have to use the chain rule as well as the product rule. dy by dx will be, so cos of something will be times x square e to the power x. But according to the chain rule we have to differentiate this term again. So d by dx of x square e to the power x. So this we can differentiate using the product rule. It will become minus sin x square e to the power x multiplied by first term differentiation of second. Differentiation of e to the power x will be e to the power x plus second term differentiation of first x square differentiated, it will be 2x. So this will become minus sin x square e to the power x multiplied by x square plus 2x times e to the power x. We have taken e to the power x common in these terms and will get x square plus 2x. This is the required solution.